For avid backyard chefs, the Weber Performer Premium 22-inch charcoal grill offers far more than imagined. Charcoal bin storage, work surface, and even an LCD cook timer make this grill all you need with even more than you could hope for. The Performer's card frame is formed from heavy-duty steel, built to last for years and features a wire bottom shelf. The Performer Premium Grill has Weber's tried-and-true porcelain enameled bowl and lid. Baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the finish is actually fused to the steel, preventing rust-through and burn-off for years of use. For ease of handling, the Performer has a glass-reinforced nylon lid handle set into the center top of the lid and includes a protective heat shield. No-rust aluminum dampers provide you the flexibility to manage the heat in your grill. Easy to adjust, you can add more or less oxygen to get your grill to just the right temperature. A built-in thermometer in the lid makes the chef aware of the temperature inside the grill and makes it easy to know when to add charcoal during the cooking process. The built-in metal work table provides a great heat-resistant work surface with lots of space to set plates and sauces on as you grill. Especially handy is a backlit LCD countdown cook timer with a large backlit readout display. The timer attaches to the Performer grill or can easily be removed to take with you. The Performer comes with 3 tool hooks on the front of the cart to keep what you need close at hand. The pull-out char bin storage container protects charcoal from winter snow and summer rain and keeps it where you use it. At the bottom of the Performer's cart, a wire shelf provides handy storage and keeps accessories off the ground. 2 new large durable rubber molded 8-inch wheels make the grill easy to move for perfect placement on your patio or deck. The casters lock in place to keep the grill from moving while you grill. Gusty winds won't blow charcoal ash around your gourmet grilled masterpieces with the Performer's high-capacity ash catcher. Just pull the removable aluminum ash catcher out by the handle and empty into a heat-proof container. The one-touch cleaning system makes cleanup simple. Made of durable steel, the 3-pronged ash sweeper slides easily as you move the lever from side to side, sweeping the ash from the bottom of the grill into the high-capacity ash catcher. The Performer Premium Grill features a specially designed stainless steel wire cradle to store the lid safely out of the way when you open the grill. 2 durable char basket fuel holders are made of aluminized steel and are designed to hold charcoal and make it easy to move. The charcoal can then be grouped on the sides of the bowl, allowing a space in the middle for indirect cooking. For direct cooking, simply move the 2 baskets together.
The plated steel hinged cooking grate provides ample cooking area, in addition to providing an easy way to add charcoal during the cooking process. Food can stay on the cooking grate while the hinged sides flip up.
Its unique inserts expand cooking possibilities by providing a place for Weber's exclusive Gourmet BBQ System accessories, like the griddle, sear grate, wok, and pizza stone sold separately. The Performer Premium Charcoal Grill has a 10-year limited warranty and tucks into a heavy-duty steel cart with high-end features that include a removable LCD countdown cook timer and at-hand charcoal storage. If charcoal cooking is your way of life, the Performer Premium is your lifesaver.